Aloha Ken. This is 17T as in Thomas or Terrace 7. That's your view. All right, here's a lanai. There's a little storage there. So it's a pretty good sized lanai. All right, stepping back into the living area, you can see this is a long rectangular floor plan. You can see there's the brand new property manager that's taking over. I hear this guy is great. And this one has an upstairs. We'll take upstairs in just a couple of minutes. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the kitchen here. You can see it's got this gorgeous granite. And I want you to see some of these cabinets a little bit closer. So all of this is custom woodwork, stainless steel sink, and then this is right into the backsplash. Let's get these gorgeous cabinet windows. And the listing agent wanted me to point out this 3D fan. Yes, it blows around everywhere. It's just fabulous. Stainless steel appliances. So it's a very nice kitchen. Now most of these units are 1 bedroom and 1.5 bath. This one has actually been converted, so you've got a soaking tub in here. So this is a 2 bath. All right, so I'm just stepping upstairs here, and the first thing we come to is this lanai. Stepping out onto the lanai, some people call this a smoker's lanai. Parking space is right there. If you're getting mail here, your mailbox is right there. And if you want to know where the closest pool is, it's right there. All right, so in most of these upstairs units, the loft is just open. This one has a closing door. Again, they've used this really gorgeous granite. You can see twin sinks here. These nice custom mirrors. And a really nice large shower. And here we are in the master. So it's a good sized room. That's a king size bed. It's got a little seating area up here that has a really nice view. And then there are the closets and some additional storage area right in here. All right, so that's a good look at 17T7. Hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you soon from Kapalua. Aloha.